Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and still feeling a little under the weather. Got a sore throat happening, and I was just thinking before I started this video, it's like, man, I just want some comfort food. And I know a lot of people when they get sick, they just want comfort food. And I was thinking there is one recipe we have in our app. It's called shepherd's pie, and it's a great comfort food, no doubt. But this is a good, clean, whole food recipe that you can make, and everything is fairly good in numbers. So look through the app and give it a try. Today I've got Hawaiian chicken, and this is kind of a comfort food for me because I love Asian food. I love the teriyaki sauces, the soy sauces all here. So this chicken is marinated in an orange juice sauce with some other spices. And then we just spray a lot of veggies, some zucchini, some squash, some peppers, and got a big slice of pineapple on here. We throw it all on the grill. It comes out while it's on the grill. I make a nice little homemade teriyaki sauce, pour it on top, add some of those red pepper flakes, and we added some brown rice to that. So good all around meal right here. This is comfortable for me. I'm gonna eat this today. It's coming out in the app this week, along with 2 other great recipes. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, take care.